Hello, this is a quick video to help you navigate Introduction to Wellbeing's Moodle site. Hopefully this is helpful for those of you who are new to Moodle or even just want to better understand how our site is organized. So here we have our home screen. The first thing I want to draw your attention to are these different tabs. Some of your classes might have your Moodle semester set up so that you just scroll down and every week you scroll further down into the course. We have divided these into folders instead, so every week you'll be on a new folder. Right here you have your announcements. These are messages that your faculty member has sent to you. If you should get those via email. If you don't, please let us know or contact IT. These announcements are copies of any emails that you've received from your professor. The next page is your syllabus. You'll want to look at that as you get ready for this course and all of your courses. And then on my course, I have an introduction letter. This is the general information. This is where you can come back to. I'll also post this Moodle video here so it's easily accessible. Introduction unit. Okay, so the first week of class, we're going to click on here. You're just going to attend class, and hopefully you already have your student resource book. So the first thing you need to do is attend class, and then these are some links that you'll use while you're in class. If you don't know how to scan a piece of paper and save it as a PDF, here are some directions for you. You need to be able to scan multiple papers and save them as one PDF. If you haven't received your student resource book yet, this is a copy of the first unit's information, so you can use that while you're waiting to get your student resource book from the bookstore. Here is a practice we're going to do in the class, and then we'll talk more about what it means to grade yourself for participation, but that is what you'll find. Then it says prepare for week 1, day 2 in the introduction unit. This section must be completed by 10 p.m. the night before day 2 class. And then we tell you what you're going to watch, what you're going to read, and what you're going to complete. Most of the things you're going to complete are listed below. Here is where you will submit that PDF of your homework. Again, you'll scan pages 10, 12, and 14 in your student resource book, and then submit that here as one PDF. If you scan it as an image or a JPEG, we will not be able to give you full credit. The syllabus quiz that you'll take is right underneath your submission for your homework. And then one other thing I want to highlight here, so you're going to watch a video that will pop right up. This core lesson video, let's see what happens when I click this. All right, it'll take you right to the core lesson or the lecture for that you need to watch in advance of class. While you watch that lecture, please make sure that you're signed in as your Bethel username and password. That way we can give you credit while you watch the lecture. You will also pause every once in a while and answer some questions. That is the embedded quiz. And then we will pull your score from Edpuzzle and enter it into the gradebook. The Shalom video, that is a direct link, and then just a reminder about taking notes, and then we have an optional video for you. Once you're done with that, then you go to class. So these labels are listed for you so you know when you're kind of shifting to the next part of class, and then in day 2, you will also give yourself a participation grade. Just going to show you the following week briefly because it's organized a little bit differently because you do have homework due before class. So after Unit 1, every other week will begin with a preparation piece because this is a flipped class. So it'll tell you what you need to watch, what you need to read, and what you need to complete. In our case, we don't have class on Monday because of Labor Day. That might not be the case in the spring semester. So it'll tell you about class and you'll have participation points. Then you'll prepare for Wednesday. And after the introduction unit, from that point on, you always will have a lab, and we'll tell you more about those. And the directions are both in Moodle and in your SRB. We also have another video. This is a short video for you to watch on some potential habits You'll upload your lab assignment. This week you have another assignment, a 2-minute check-in video. And as you see this under this heading, it says what you're going to watch, what you're going to complete, the lab and the 2-minute check-in video. And then the next heading, this is where, okay, you've done what you need to. You're going to go to class. In class, we're going to take a unit wrap-up. And you're going to give yourself participation points, and then we have some optional resources. So every week is a tab, and every tab is organized with how you prepare for the first day of class, what you need to watch, read, and complete, going to class, preparing for the second day, and then actually being in class on the second day. That is how Moodle works for this course. I hope that's been helpful. Thanks.